Hello, I'm Joette Fielding with the Fielding team at Remax About Town in beautiful Oakville, Ontario. Welcome to 2055 Mayflower Boulevard. This home boasts traditional luxury and elegance. It has renovations from top to bottom, inside and out, and has great attention to detail. Please call me for your private viewing of this luxurious home at 289-242-6640. I'll let Kim show you the way.
Beautifully situated on a quiet crescent within Oakville's sought-after River Oaks neighborhood, welcome to 2055 Mayflower Boulevard. This magnificent and completely renovated dream home showcases quality crafted detailing inside and out, including a cobblestone-style driveway to the double garage that features high-gloss industrial epoxy flooring, a high smooth finish ceiling with LED pot lighting, and custom red cabinetry. A cobblestone-style walkway lined with meticulously manicured gardens leads to an inviting covered entrance with a new custom mahogany front door and upgraded Mortise locking system, and opening into a spacious foyer and grand entrance hall finished with porcelain tiles that flow through to the kitchen area, while impressive and richly stained oak staircases with deluxe iron railings curve gracefully to the upper and lower levels. Fluted, extra-wide door mouldings and architraves embellish the entrance to the formal living and dining rooms, where knee walls with decorative tapered columns define their distinctive spaces. A chandelier brings ambient lighting to the dining area, which boasts a large bay window with window box seat and custom cushions, while another bay window in the living room allows for gorgeous front garden views, and both windows are finished with perfectly pleated custom silk draperies. These elegant spaces also feature richly stained hardwood floors, which can be found in the family room and in a private main floor study with a beveled glass French door entry, as well as custom built-in cabinetry with hand-carved capitals and upper display shelving with accent lighting. Bathed in soft natural light and overlooking the backyard, the family room is warmed by a wood-burning fireplace surrounded with a custom limestone mantel and is pre-wired for a flat-panel TV. The spectacular gourmet kitchen is a showpiece of beauty and functionality. The extensive floor-to-ceiling custom mocha vanilla furniture-style cabinetry with hand-rubbed antique detail has under-cabinet lighting, upper glass display cabinets with glass shelves and accent lighting, as well as numerous built-ins and pull-outs for abundant storage space. And this stunning work area also has direct access to the dining room for entertaining convenience, a center island with pendant lighting, custom granite counters, tumbled stone backsplashes, and high-quality stainless steel appliances. The generously sized breakfast area can accommodate an extra-large dining table, and the sliding door walkout opens onto a relaid cobblestone-style semicircular patio and a recently added custom pergola overlooking lush rear gardens. A luxurious powder room showcases a dark-stained custom cabinet with quartz counter and a stylish chrome vanity light. And the entire home exudes a sophisticated yet comfortable and warm ambiance, as well as a rich decor with finishing details such as flawless smooth finished ceilings, deep crown moldings, LED pot lighting, custom window shades and silk draperies, upgraded baseboards, door and window trims, and also features integrated Nest wireless smart home smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, and thermostat. The upper level landing is finished with a cozy touch of broadloom, while all the bedrooms have beautiful natural finished hardwood floors. The second, third, and fourth bedrooms all have ample closet space, with the largest of these three rooms additionally featuring a water closet with pedestal-style vanity, as well as a separate dedicated shower area, both spaces finished with exquisite marble tiles. Simply gorgeous, the 5-piece main washroom showcases limestone tiling throughout, including floor tiles laid on the diagonal and a custom granite-topped vanity with undermount basins. Overlooking the backyard, the spacious and elegant master retreat features a double-door entry, a large lounge area, a walk-in closet, oversized windows with treetop views, as well as a luxurious 5-piece ensuite washroom with porcelain tiled finishes, a frameless glass shower, oversized deep soaker tub, and a granite-topped vanity with undermount basins. This home's exterior has undergone extensive renovations as well, which include new eaves, downspouts and soffits, LED lighting front and back, custom copper canopies on the bay windows, precast stone window and door trim, as well as iron gates to the rear yard. The main level also features a walk-in foyer coat closet, as well as an extra-large sunken laundry room with white shaker-style cabinetry, closet storage, a side entry door, and access to the amazing fully finished garage. Professionally finished, the lower level showcases richly stained wood laminate flooring, flawless smooth finished ceilings, LED pot lighting on graduated dimmers, and a soft tasteful decor. And off the spacious lower landing and sitting area is a ledge stone wine cellar with oversized stone floor tiles and a mahogany trimmed full panel glass door. A stunning 3-piece washroom with a marble-topped furniture-style vanity, a heated marble floor, and a marble-tiled shower with frameless glass enclosure is found just off the generously sized family room, which features a built-in audio-visual system with a Sony flat-panel TV and Bose sound surround system, the warmth of a gas fireplace with a custom limestone mantel, as well as 2 decorative square columns with deluxe mouldings. And this inviting informal entertaining space is open to a games room complete with pool table. The lower level also features an extra-large hobby room with a craft table, and with access to a storage room that could easily be converted into a massive walk-in closet. This space has the potential as a 5th bedroom. Close to highly rated schools and Sheridan College, this home is also steps away from the entrance to Nipigon Trail, which connects to several parks and additional trails. With easy access to the Uptown Core and Oakville Place Mall, shopping, restaurants, and entertainment are close at hand, while the new state-of-the-art Oakville Trafalgar Memorial Hospital, as well as the Oakville GO train station and access to major highways are just short drives away.